cheese seems to be one of the most polarizing cheeses of all, but if you've ever tried them on a pizza, you might actually change your mind. Today, I'm sharing 3 different ways to prepare blue cheese pizza using one of my favorite blue cheeses from Point Reyes Cheese Company. We start by making Jim Lahey's super easy no-knead pizza dough. You simply need to mix all the ingredients in a bowl using a wooden spoon until a dough comes together. And then you just leave it to proof overnight. Once proofed, place your dough on a floured surface and divide into 3. To make perfectly round mounds, fold the dough from 4 directions, seal the seam, and flip. Shape further into rounds with your palms. Sprinkle dough with flour if they're sticky. Now here's the tricky part. You want to shape the dough into a flattened round, but you don't want to overwork it. What I do is a combo of gently rolling the dough out with a rolling pin and tapping it out with my hands. Jim Lahey recommends knuckling the edges of the dough, but I'm really bad at it. You can give it a go, of course. Aim for a fairly thin round of pizza crust. For the first pizza, we have to make caramelized onions in advance. To do this, slow-cook onions in a saucepan with some olive oil. After 20 minutes, they will have softened. Add brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, plus the mushrooms. Mix to combine and cook this for another 10 minutes. You can store this in the fridge or use it immediately. To make the pizza, brush the crust with olive oil and sprinkle mozzarella over the top. Add the caramelized onions and mushrooms, then some basil or baby spinach. Finally, we add our crumbled blue cheese. This goes into the preheated oven for 10 minutes. The cheese will be bubbly and the crust will be golden. This pizza has a rich sweetness from the caramelized onions that complements the complex flavors of the blue cheese really well. The second pizza starts the same way. We brush our prepared pizza dough with olive oil and sprinkle some mozzarella on. Then you just want to toss your cooked chicken in your hot sauce or other sauce of choice, then top that on the pizza. Add some cilantro sprigs and the blue cheese. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes as well. If you use the same hot sauce as I did, you get a bit of sourness plus a tasty kick, but the cilantro and the blue cheese keep things balanced and delicious. Okay, this last one is my favorite. To start, you want to mix olive oil and honey together, then brush this on the pizza before sprinkling on the mozzarella. Top with slices of fresh pear, some walnuts, and the blue cheese. This also goes into the oven for 10 minutes, but once you take it out, drizzle it with a bit of honey before serving. In my opinion, blue cheese, honey, and pear are a perfect trifecta, and this pizza is a great way to highlight this combination of flavors. There's a push and pull between sweet and savory that just tickles the taste buds. I really hope these pizzas can help you gain a new appreciation for blue cheese. Full instructions for these recipes can be found on my blog.